Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up your internet by resetting Winsock and TCP IP. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. To reset Winsock and TCP IP, you have to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Press Windows key on your keyboard. Or else, click on the Windows icon, which is on the left bottom corner. Then, Start menu will open. Scroll down to find Windows Security option. Click on it. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Right-click on the Command Prompt option. Move the cursor onto the More option. And click on Run as Administrator option. Then, the Command Prompt window will be opened as Administrator. Type the text displaying on the screen without any error. And hit Enter. Then, you will get the output as showing in the tutorial. You will also find a message as Restart the computer. After that, restart your computer to see the changes. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.